Hi, I'm Matt from the Intergalactic Herald. Welcome to our recap number 56 of the Star Atlas news that happened this past week. You can find all this information at intergalacticherald.com. So let's go ahead and get into the different articles. So the first one was the Metaverse Explorer, going over some of the latest updates, including things like the new core schedule, and he actually did a ship giveaway. The Hologram News Network went over some events that Star Atlas will be attending, including Play GGG and the San Diego Comic-Con. Metaverse Nomads did a video of their latest weekly live stream talking about Star Atlas in addition to other metaverse and crypto news items. The Hologram posted an article on Medium about Star Atlas parent company ATMTA selling different amounts of Atlas and Polis over the last 3 months. Metaverse Explorer did another video talking about the shocking news of one of the co-founders of Star Atlas departing the company. The Hologram published an article from some employees speaking out after the departure of the co-founder. AFIA did their latest Star Atlas newsletter where they went over the things that had happened in the past week. OCG Thor did a review of 3 different Star Atlas ships. Puck the Pirate posted a video reviewing the latest that occurred this last week in Star Atlas. Star Atlas published a update on their Medium page about the latest release of the claim stakes and how to claim those and interact with them. Metaverse Explorer posted a video of his experience using the new claim stakes. Puck the Pirate also put out a video on how to interact with the claim stakes. OCG Thor went through and ranked all the Star Atlas ships. Again, if you'd like to get any of these links that were mentioned in this recap, please go to intergalacticherald.com and look for Recap 56. Thank you.